Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn $100 per day in passive income using 5 of the best apps available. Making money online doesn't have to be difficult, and these apps can help you achieve financial freedom with ease. So let's get started. Number 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a free app that lets you earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, and more. You can redeem your earnings for gift cards or cash. Number 2. Acorns. Acorns is a great app for investing your spare change. The app rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference in a portfolio of your choice. Number 3. Rakuten. Rakuten is a cashback app that gives you cash back on your online purchases. Simply shop through the app and you'll earn cash back on eligible purchases. Number 4. Airbnb. Airbnb is a popular platform for renting out your spare room or entire house. By listing your property on Airbnb, you can earn a significant amount of passive income. Number 5. Foap. Foap is an app that allows you to sell your photos online. Simply upload your photos to the app, and you'll earn money every time someone downloads your photo. If you're interested in making even more passive income, consider using multiple apps together. For example, you can use Swagbucks to earn money by taking surveys and use Rakuten to earn cashback on your online purchases. Combining these apps can help you earn more money without doing any extra work. In summary, these 5 apps are some of the best ways to make $100 per day in passive income. With a little bit of effort, you can start earning money online and achieve financial freedom. Remember, making money online takes time and effort, but it's definitely worth it in the end. So, give these apps a try and see how much money you can earn. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching.